bangers! In today's video, I am making some Valentine's Day slime. Alright, so I'm going to get started off with some clear slime. Oh, that's the back. Clear slime. Oh, whoa. So let's add some glue into my bowl. This is going to be some Love Potion Valentine slime. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some Love Potion slime and heart slime. Well, not like just pink heart slime. Alright, so first, when I'm making clear slime, I like to add my glue and contact lens solution. Sorry, my bottle is a mess. But contact lens solution makes it soft. Doesn't activate it, makes it soft. So I like to add quite a bit of that. And then stir. As you can see, it doesn't activate it at all. It just helps to make a softer slime. And next I'm going to activate it. Alright, so let's add in just a tiny bit because I have a very strong activator at the moment. I'm just going to tip this over, get it all to the side, and I'm going to do some stirring and then I'll show you guys then. Alright, I'm going to add some more activator. And the contact lens solution is going to help to make it soft. I'm pretty sure I already said that, but that means it's going to be harder to activate. Clear slime is kind of one of those slimes that's harder to make. So I'm going to have to basically knead it with my hands to get it to work. So I'm going to activate it a little bit more and I'll show you guys then. Alright, so I mixed a little bit more and added activator, and it looks like this right now. It's kind of clumpy, so now I'm just going to go in with my hands and knead it. This is going to take a minute, so I'll show you guys when I'm done kneading. Alright, I've been kneading and just a little bit, and it's starting to come together. It's going to get lots of air bubbles, and then you'll have to let it sit in a airtight container, so like this, something with a lid to get all the bubbles out and let it sit for a while. So I'm going to keep kneading and then I'll show you guys then. Alright, so my clear slime is overactivated, so I'm just going to add in some hair gel. This might sound weird, but hair gel will fix it. It will melt it down and basically get it softer. So I'm going to play with it and I'll show you guys then. Okay, so I added the hair gel and it got a lot softer, but I'm going to add a little bit of some contact lens solution and that will make it softer too. I don't know if the contact lens solution and the gel will have a reaction and make it hard, but these two things are my little trick to having a good clear slime. So I will finish kneading this and then we're going to get on to the second slime. Alright, so we will finish this slime later. I'm gonna set this slime in this container and let it sit and we'll make it a different slime. Let's go. Alright, now it's time for the pink heart slime. So what you're gonna need for this, some Elmer's school glue, so white glue, boom ba boom boom ba boom. Okay, pour some in your bowl. And next, you're going to need some red food coloring because the red will just make pink. Very nice. And then I'm going to stir. And we have a very nice color so far. This is a pinkish color, but I'm going to finish stirring. And I have a nice pink. And now I'm going to add activator. This is a very strong activator, so I'm only going to add in a little bit, but yeah. So, adding, that was probably way too much, So I'm just going to pour some of that out. Alright, so I poured some out, and now I'm going to stir. And it is good to get your hands in, but I'm going to stir a little bit, add a little bit of activator, stir, and now I'm going to go in with my hands. Move that a little bit. There you go. And it's good to get both your hands in, but I'm going to knead it and then I'll be back with you guys. Alright, I've been kneading my slime and it's done and perfect. Alright, so now I'm going to get all this. Bye-bye, hearts. And contact lens solution does activate white slime. So that's just a little. That's it. Alright, so now it's time to make a heart. That's not a heart yet, but I'm going to make a heart shape and then flatten it out. Alright, I'm going to make it huge and then I'll show you guys. Alright, so my heart, or the pink heart slime is up there melting down and getting bigger heart. And I am going to make this clear slime into some love potion. Okay, so first I'm going to add 1 drop of red food coloring. Alright, so I'm kneading my slime. I'm kneading the red in. This is going to get kind of pinkish, and then I'm going to add lots of different colors of glitter. And I just want to say, if you do have a hard clear slime, this is kind of hard. If you do have a hard clear slime, just let it sit for super long and it will melt down. So, yeah. I'm just going to knead this and get the red mixed in. Alright, so I already have some clear pre-made slime. It's super clear and it feels really nice. And it's kind of sticky and this is kind of hard. So I'm going to take a chunk of this and mix it in with this. And it'll activate it a little bit. Then it'll get pink and it'll be a good size. This is the clear slime. And yes, this is slime. anyways, this is pretty activated now, and it's pink, and I think I am going to make some love potion now. Alright, so first step for this, I'm going to kind of open it up like that and put in some glitter. Alright, so I have a whole bowl of glitter. I'm just going to add in a bunch of these different types. Alright, now it's time to add in glitter. Okay, so you want lots of glitter because that will make it very cool. Alright, now I'm going to add in some of this clear or white glitter. I think it's iridescent. Yeah, iridescent. And I'm going to add some of this pink. Oh! Okay, and then I'm going to add in some of this dark pink. I only have a tiny bit of this dark pink, so I only add a little bit. And now I'm going to add in some of these bigger, like, chunky glitter. Now, my last and final glitter, some of this red. I only have a tiny bit of this in a bag. There we go. And now it's time to mix. All right. It is so pretty. You can see all the glitter. Perfect love potion. Getting some of this glitter. And this is so pretty. Glitter. Whoa. And that's how you get love potion slime. And now it's time for the heart slime. I will put it right here. And there you have pink heart slime. So I'm going to mix it up. This is the love potion slime. Super pretty. And this is the really pretty heart slime. How about I add some glitter to this. I'm going to add it into the lid. Okay. Beautiful. Now I'm going to mix it. I'm going to roll it. Wow. Today I made 2 gorgeous slimes. 2 Valentine's Day slimes. Yeah, pink heart slime and some love potion slime. Thank you, hangers, so much for watching this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and you could even try this at home. So, happy Valentine's Day. Bye!